Hey friends! A couple weeks ago I gave you a little tour of my outdoor meditation station, the terrace that's right off my master bedroom, and I also wanted to share a little bit about my Wannabe balanced rocks. This is also a space where I can really enjoy creating my painted Wannabe balanced elephant rocks. If you don't know what that is yet, let me just explain. So I paint these rocks white, then I draw little elephants on them, and then I've been hiding them all over Utah, and I'll be hiding them out on vacation as well. I've used some Mod Podge to kind of glue this little note on. So I glue this little note on, so if anyone finds one of these rocks, they can either keep it for themselves or they can hide it again and post a picture of where you're at, post a picture of you with the rock, and then you can hide it again and just kind of follow your rock. So it's kind of fun in that sense. It's a little game, or you can just keep it. I don't mind if you want to hold on to it, but I love doing it. I love creating these. It's been really fun for me, and I love elephants. It's the symbol of my book. This is the crystal elephant that I talk about in my book. And this is my book, and that's the reason why I post a lot of things about elephants, and I have a lot of things with elephants, so I just really love them. They are amazing creatures.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
I got a whole bunch of rocks all finished, ready to go. Now it's time to go hide them. So we're at Owen's soccer game, and we're gonna hide the Wannabe balanced elephant rocks, huh, Owen?
We're gonna hide Lily and you, because this is you, this is Lily.
Okay, where do you want to hide him? You're gonna put it right there on the bleachers? Ooh, that's a good spot. Great spot.